We are hiking down this trail to the Quechee Gorge, which is spectacular. And apparently it's like a mile down to the bottom of the gorge and then a mile straight back up. So this is the trail going down. All right, let's do this. Oh, look at this, spectacular. I love Vermont. This is awesome. Awesome. This is green and fresh and outdoorsy. I love it. Charlie loves it too. That's the Quechee Gorge. I don't know how far down. This thing goes for a long ways that way. But here's the gorge, the main gorge. And then the bridge is over there. I don't know if we'll fly the drone here or go all the way down. I don't know, it's kind of cool down here. Maybe I'll try flying right here. Going back up, it's a little tough. Quechee Gorge trail. It's pretty steep. Even Charlie's having a hard time.